Mirchi Pakoda. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. We need 100 grams green chilies. These are big chilies which are used for making pakodas. With the help of a knife, slit them lengthwise. Remove the seeds. This is optional. It makes the chilies less spicy. Now season each chili with salt. Set aside for 15 minutes. In a bowl, take 2 cups besan, 2 tablespoons rice flour. Rice flour makes the pakodas crisp. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric. Add salt, but remember chilies were seasoned with salt. Half teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon carom seeds. Mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons hot oil. Mix well. Now add little water at a time to make a medium thick batter. This is the required consistency. It should coat the finger. Dip each chili in the batter, coat it and then drop it into the hot oil. Fill the batter inside the chili. Fry until golden brown and crisp. Mirchi pakoras are ready to be served. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.